Hey pap, we zouden nog die ene video maken over de SL.
Ja, dat klopt. Zullen we dat nu maar even doen dan?
Ja.
Is het licht oké?
Kan.
Oké. Super. Hi, it's Jan from Velomobile World. Yeah, we have major changes here in Velomobile World. I want to change the processes more to take out some complexity, make it also more clear. Over the years when we started Velomobile, we started with 3 models, and now I even lost track of how much models we have and all the versions. So last year already we discussed with Velomobile NL to stop this year the Quest, Strada and XS, and that's stopped already. Only for the SL we have also only like in 2023 and 2024 we have like 5-6 orders. So we decide also to stop the SL in production. From 1 July there comes a price increase, not too big, but there comes a price increase, and we're gonna do an action. You can order until 1 September still an SL with the old price, and we gonna deliver it before December, and then it's over. And there's 5 places available. So if you always thought I want to have an SL, there are still 5 we're gonna make, and then it's done. All the models which we produce less than 10 this year, we will stop next year to produce. So yeah, but there is good news.
What?
So, that's the news. Ta-da! The Bulk Urban. So this is number 4, and we have made some modifications in this one. We want to make the Urban as premium as the MK1. So that means carbon front frame, the seat support from carbon fiber, carbon swing arm. And on this one, we didn't manage on time to have also the support on this side to be from carbon fiber. This bike goes to a YouTuber, a German YouTuber who lives in Hungarian, Raw Future. He will come Friday. We might gonna make a short video with him as well. So it's not fully finished. We have some points on the E to put, and Hannah will do a nice 360 video and some detailed videos. See you next time. Bye bye.